Here are 5 top reasons dealers should send their staff to the 2019 NADA show in San Francisco. Number 1, workshops. Learn about today's hot industry topics from experienced workshop speakers, now in a streamlined format. The program is organized by department to deliver targeted material to those who will benefit the most from it. This year, you'll get to see exclusive NADA-led workshops from your trusted NADA staff. Number 2, super sessions. In these interactive presentations, learn how to advance your career from the experts who tackle the big issues to provide a fresh perspective as well as real-world solutions. Number 3, the exchange. Participate in peer-to-peer roundtable discussions based on topics selected by attendees. This is an opportunity to customize your learning and get vital information from real-world experience by dealership employees as well as from industry experts. Number 4, Distinguished Speaker Series. Hear from leading voices in our industry and other fields to learn about their experience with team building, leadership, and the training that made them successful. Number 5, Energized. The NADA show is where the industry meets every year to get inspired, to learn about what's new, and to hear from experts in the industry. Come discover what's driving the auto industry today.